I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever. Hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little.
Hi,
what's up, guys?
Welcome back to Kenis and Mere. Trump. So today we are making our return. We had a few bumps in the road since the last time we convened.
Marissa died.
Marissa died. Hello, welcome back to Kenis and Mere Drop. Now today we are here to make some slime for you guys. Our last upload was, I don't remember if the birthday special or the drop came first.
Are you stupid?
Yeah. It's so Kenis and Mere Drop.
So which came first?
I'm gonna drop. Alright. This is
What
what
I'm
I'm
usually not allowed on screen.
Yeah, usually,
You finished the slime.
sorry. Alright. So the last time we had a birthday special and I reviewed slime. Now we're gonna be making some. We got this crazy slime kit. Here we have this fluffy slime activator and metallic glue. Okay.
Next, you have a butter with cosmic glue.
Alright. And then next we have a scent. It's cherry limeade scented. And we're gonna put some glitter glue in there.
And lastly, but not leastly, we have glow in the dark. I know this is really exciting. And confetti slime activator. Get hyped, guys!
Get high. Alright, now I'm here with Marissa.
And we're gonna start with the metallic glue and the fluffy slime activator. So what we do is we dump all this.
Ooh. Do you need a little help there?
Just retract it back in. It's like when you're on the toilet and then your poop goes back in sometimes. You know what I'm talking about? Here, what was we're gonna add water.
Oh, did it say to do that?
No, but I'm not.
Oh my, Clarissa's rude.
Okay, now we dump.
God, I swear.
It's still not coming out, bro.
How much is left in there?
I feel it. Ew, that was like a booger.
Alright, now due to technical difficulties, we had to cut this in half.
Yay!
Alright,
all the glue.
now we're gonna, oh, this is the butter one. Now we're gonna use the fluffy slime activator. Racist. Ooh. Girl, what? Alright.
It's slimy.
It says stir and repeat until it reaches your desired consistency.
This is not my design.
I have no desire. Alright, now while Marissa does that, I'm gonna film Meredith making one. Now, what are we making here today, Meredith?
Today we're making 4 slimes. But the second slime is something called cosmic butter. First you put in the glue, as you know. Hopefully we won't.
Oh God, I
We
have the
won't
scissors
put
on
water.
deck.
We won't.
Okay, now we dump. This is not my design.
I have no desire. Alright.
Oh, we won't.
Ooh, that was
There's like glitter. You can see it reflecting.
she's rocking.
I have mental problems. It's like,
Ooh, so disgusting. That looks like. Alright, guys, we're gonna use the glitter glue and the cherry limeade. Try that again. Glitter glue and the cherry limeade scented slime activator.
What are we doing? Stretching? I can get down. It's sparkly and it smells like cherry limeade.
I really like this one.
It's stretchy a little bit. No,
And it
not really.
pops.
It's not stretchy actually.
It pops.
It's good for popping and sticking your finger in.
So I give this one an 8.
Yeah, I agree with that.
The last slime is Clamantha the Clown. It's glow in the dark with glitter. Looks kind of like glass shards, some would say, like a booger mosaic, some would say. I personally like it. It's pretty controversial slime. I would personally rate it.
This is crazy.
I would personally rate it.
This is insanity.
Stop! I would personally rate it a 7 out of 10.
Let me touch him. Ooh, that brings my
But it
rating
feels
up.
good to touch.
I say, since it's ugly, aesthetic-wise, I'm taking off points, so a 6. Not bad. All right, and just for old time's sake, let's all drop one at the same time.
Wait, do I have to drop
All right.
Okay.
What?
I'm ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys. Well.
Forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye.